So we just had a pretty good rainstorm and I found a leak. Right here is the vent tube to my gray tank, and it's pulling up some water right here, running down the pipe, pulling up right here on the fender well. So I'm pretty sure the stack up there is bad, and I'm just gonna replace it. So I ended up climbing up to the top of Chappie, and this is what I found. I'm gonna need a new, I guess, stack. My local RV store is closed, so I'm probably gonna have to order this on Amazon, and I have to figure out a way to block this hole, because now I'm gonna have way more water entry than I did before. So let's see what we can build. We're on the roof of Chappie right now, and found this cap right here. Basically your typical laundry cap. You measure your fluids and you dump it in there. So it actually is pretty close to the same diameter as right here. So it's actually the exact diameter. I'd say it's a pretty good fit. So this laundry cap is going to be basically my plug until I can get to the store or order something to replace this vent stack. So I guess we're just going to leave it at here and pick it up in the next couple of days. So, as many of us know, with the current condition of the world, shipping is delayed, and most of the locations that we work with, like RV distributors and whatnot, are all shut down. So I have this hole in the roof that I have to take care of. I think it's probably in my best interest to get this thing closed off instead of using this little plug. It works with like a little drizzle, but with real thunderstorms on its way, it's not gonna hold up. So I'm gonna fashion some kind of roof band-aid and hopefully it'll work well enough to keep this from leaking. So let's do it. So the idea behind this is to do it quick and simple. This was a plug that kept most of the water out. It did a pretty good job, but nothing's gonna hold up to a real storm. So let's get something more permanent. So the idea behind all of this is to use this piece as a template, transpose this design onto this steel, and make some kind of band-aid. So lucky for me, this loom has a brush side and a painted side, so we're gonna do painted side up. Got the putty already installed. Now I'm just gonna line her up. So I just installed some of that Dicor self-leveling sealant, and it's working really, really well. It's already flattening out. I think I'm all set with this, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna hold over any kind of rainstorm that we have. So I'm gonna say it's gonna work. My first time doing this, so thanks for following along. If you have any pro tips or comments, please let me know. If I did something wrong, definitely let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you. Thank you.